For all your installation projects, use Calculated Industries StudMark or StudMark Plus to find a stud quickly and easily. With the StudMarks, once you hang it, it will stay in place.
Hey, today we're going to talk about installing an upper cabinet in your house, your bedroom, your bathroom, your garage. And the first thing that we need to do when we're hanging a cabinet is we need to find the studs. We have two tools here that really make this job quite easy. We have the StudMark Plus and we have the StudMark. On this particular job, I want to use the StudMark Plus because it has the level that will help us go ahead and level that cabinet during installation. So we're going to go to the wall and we're going to find where our studs are located, and we're going to use a sweeping Z pattern. As fortunate, I think I found a stud right here. We'll go ahead and we'll put a marker right on that stud location. Then we're going to go back, and on this wall it's built on a 16-inch center on their studs. So we'll put the second marker there. Now I know where my studs are located. The big thing is how high are we going to hang our cabinets? Well, we have a 36-inch countertop. We know we want the cabinet to be 18 inches above that. So we're going to make our cabinet height at 54 inches from the ground that we're working on, so whatever our finished surface is. We're going to come in here, we have our stud location, we're going to mark our 54. Now that we know where we want to put our cabinets, we want to make sure, right now we are looking, our studs are just about 15 3/4 inch apart. So we're going to go ahead and pre-drill some holes in the cabinets that are going to be 15 1/2 so that we can grab these studs on center. Go ahead and we're going to go below, there's a top plate on the cabinet. We're going to go just below that so that we can get our drill in there. And we know that right now our cabinets are a 1/2 inch sidewalls. We're going to come in a 1/2 inch, so we'll just mark that at 1 inch. And we'll just do this at 2 1/2 inches so that we have room for our drill. Now we're just going to drill through. I have an 1/8 inch drill bit in here so that we can get our screws a good start. So our screws today, we're using a Torx bit, so I want to go to a Torx driver. And we're using 2 screws for the upper part of the cabinet to get this installed. I'm going to go ahead and take my markers off because I already have it marked down there. We'll open up the cabinet, and we know I want the bottom of my cabinet to be at our marked line here. So I set my screws in. I want to go ahead and put my StudMark Plus in here so I can find the level. And our cabinet, we'll put 2 more screws in on the bottom to make sure that it's good, but it has the shear strength that it needs to store all your dishes or over-the-counter goods.